Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the GreliLife 36-inch tower fan. This fan has a vertical design and is less top-heavy than a traditional oscillating fan. It's also safer and more convenient to use around kids or pets, and has simple controls that let you choose from multiple operation modes. The GreliLife 36 bladeless tower fan features a vertical, rectangular body atop a circular base. Constructed from plastic, the fan can be ordered in gray or black. Each blade is slightly flexible, so they are less dangerous to fingers. Additionally, the front grille has very thin openings. Even a baby won't be able to get their finger far enough inside to do any damage. The top panel of the housing is slanted, with the back being higher than the front. You can see indicator lights here. These displays provide you with information about the fan speed, operating mode, and timer setting. In addition to the lights, there are 5 soft touch control buttons. We'll get into the specifics of those buttons in a little bit. As an additional feature, the kit comes with a black handheld remote with 6 buttons. A feature we liked about the GreliLife fan is its quietness. Even at the loudest setting, the peak volume is 50 decibels. Most of the time, it's about 40 decibels. That's somewhere between the sound of rustling leaves and the level of a quiet conversation. And at the lowest setting, it only produces a gentle whoosh, so you will not have any trouble sleeping. We've talked a lot about the design, but what can the GreliLife tower fan actually do for you? Let's start with the operating features. By pressing the button with the fan symbol, you can choose from 3 different speeds. These speeds blow air at 13, 18, and 20 feet per second. You can cycle through the 3 modes using the button with the strange horizontal symbol. The first mode is normal. The fan blows consistently at whatever speed you've set it to. Next up is the natural mode. This mode is designed to simulate the effects of real winds. It will randomly speed up and slow down, but it will stay within the correct general range. You can go to sleep by pressing the 3rd button. By pressing the speed button in sleep mode, the motor slows to the lowest speed, and will not speed up. The button with the circular arrows turns the oscillating function on and off. When oscillating mode is on, the fan rotates back and forth through a 75-degree arc. The button with circular arrows turns that function on and off. When it is off, it remains pointed in the same direction. The oscillation button on the remote can be used to adjust the angle. Pressing the button with the clock symbol will set a timer for 1 hour. After that, the fan will shut off. Pressing it again will add another hour to the timer. Pressing the timer button again will turn off the fan for another hour. There is a 12-hour limit on the timer. Pressing the timer button will turn off the timer if the timer has already been set for 12 hours. The fan will then resume its normal operation. A cool feature is the cutout at the top back of the fan. This large cutout serves 2 purposes. First of all, it serves as a handle. By doing this, you can carry the fan around one-handed. Additionally, it has a little slot in the bottom of the cutout. It is molded to fit the remote, so you never lose it. As you can see, the GreliLife 36-foot bladeless tower fan is an extraordinarily versatile fan. While the oscillation feature and remote control are nice bonuses, its quietness and basic operation are what really make it stand out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more great reviews.